This soothing mullein tea is perfect for dry and irritated lungs caused by smoke inhalation, dry air, or fine particle inhalation. It can be drunk daily to support overall lung health. The ingredients are a half cup or 10 grams of finely crumbled dried mullein leaves, an eighth of a cup or 4 grams of finely crumbled dried plantain leaves, an eighth of a cup or 4 grams of finely crumbled dried mallow leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus, and 2 teaspoons dried mint. Here's how I make the tea. I place all the herbs in a quart jar or a quart-sized tea press. Then I pour just boiled water over the herbs, stir well, and then cover. Infuse for about 30 minutes or as long as overnight. Then you want to strain it really well through a coffee filter or a couple of layers of cheesecloth to avoid those small irritating hairs on the mullein leaves. Then drink it within 24 hours. My success is seeing your success. So to make things easy for you, I've created a free recipe card that you can download. You can get your mullein tea recipe card by visiting the link in the video description. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.